In this part of the video, we are going to learn how to install IntelliJ from JetBrains on Windows 10. So let's get started. First step is open browser, go to Google, search for IntelliJ download. So there are two parts to it, basically, right? There's an ultimate version, which is a paid version, right? You can actually get a 30 days trial if you need be. But in this part of the video, we are going to use the community edition. So we are going to download it, right? You can just click on this particular download and then it will let it download. Okay. I'm going to cancel it since I have already downloaded it. So let's get started on the installation. Okay. So here is the IDEA installable. Let's double click on it. Okay. And again, as always on Windows 10, it's asking whether you want to make changes to your device. I'm saying yes. I'm clicking on next and let's see where it is trying to install. Okay, it's trying to, by default, everything goes to C, but I want to put it in D drive, so I'm just making it there. And since I'm using 64-bit, I'm using 64-bit launcher. Okay, so I have done everything. So now it's going to install. Looks like it's going to take a while. So let's look at it while it is getting installed. It's a big installer, so it's going to take a bit of time. So we'll just guys bear with me. Yeah. So it's kind of extracting all the things. So hopefully we should be ready really soon on this. It seems to have a lot of dependencies, so it's kind of, extracting all of those, kind of putting in there. So we are going to let it do happen. We don't want to, we can actually see the details if we want it, but again, there's a lot of details, so we don't want to look into that. So since we had basically said launchers to be added to paths, so it would require a restart. I would do a manual restart at a later point of time. So just to maintain the link, so I'm just clicking on finish right now, and you should be able to see an IntelliJ Community Edition. Double click on it, and you should be able to bring it up. So there are no board settings right now. It's a fresh installation. So we just says okay, and then it should get started. Okay, I have read and accepted the terms. I'm just saying continue. So I'm saying don't send the statistics. Okay, and now, yeah, that is where it is. And now this is where you can set up your IntelliJ. So congratulations guys, as part of this video, we have already installed IntelliJ. You can go ahead and customize it as per your requirements. Thank you guys. Thank you.